Hey folks, this is Claude here in Brisbane. I am so excited because I'm going to be sharing with you how you can order shirts right on the same day you need it. As long as you get it in by 10 a.m. of that day, you have no problem. Now, I'll be putting a link in the description area where this video is that will lead you to this page that you're seeing here, because these shirts are in stock with us all the time. So when you actually order, we can start printing immediately as long as it's at 10 a.m. or before. So let me just quickly walk through the shirts you have. You have the women's crop tee by Australian Stitch, is an Australian company at 100% cotton. Gideon Hammer heavyweight tee, same day dispatch, as color. Gideon again sweatshirts. Gideon again sweatshirt. Gideon youth crew neck tee. Gideon slim lightweight t-shirt for men. You got bags, carry bags here. You got a crop tee, and this is the range, limited range, but you can get this on the same day that you want. Plus they are in different sizes and different colors as well. So let's imagine we want to custom print a sweatshirt for today. So what do? So you got two options. You can click on the picture, or you can go to cart. In this example, I'm going to add to cart. Okay, so let's see what happens. When you click on add to cart, the shopping cart will open up. It'll take you straight to the shopping cart, and you put in your code and you pay by PayPal, and you can buy it straight with this will have probably no design on it because you've gone straight to checkout. What if you want to edit this product? Click on this edit button here, and let's see what happens. What happens is it opens the designer. Isn't that exciting? It opens the designer, so now we can start to design our own shirt. So what if you want to put some text on this? In a previous video I showed you design. Now we're going to add some text. Okay, it's the same process as adding a design, but in this case you're going to add text. We're going to add, say it's a sweatshirt, so we say love you dad, okay, and this is say, or love you brother, or someone. So here you have your image here. If you want this love you dad to be on the second line, go to the text box here and hit enter, and it automatically goes on the second line. Now you may want that to be centered. So what do you call this? You put your cursor over the whole sentence and click the center tab, and it becomes center here. So this is pretty good, isn't it? Now you want to move this right in the middle of the photo. Just put your cursor here, drag it, and place in the middle. Now what if you want to change this? It's a dark background. This blue is very dark compared to the background. So what if you want to change this blue to something else? So click on the choose color, text color, and let's go for a lighter color. See, the color changes. Let's move this here. You can see. What if you want the color to be a little bit different? Just move it. Say that's a good color. So click OK, and you are done. Now what if you want this to be? This is the design area that you see here. We can go as far as this boundary. So what if you want it to be slightly bigger? That looks pretty awesome. Love you dad. Maybe you want it a little bit higher up on the chest. Okay, now if you want to change the size, you can change the size to extra large if your dad is quite a big guy, or just to medium if you need that. Now you can change the quantity here to make it 2 shirts, and that's good as well. Now when you change the quantity, you notice up here it has changed again. Let's change it to 3 shirts, and see, it changes again here. 3 quantities, 3 here. Now these words will be printed right on the front of the shirt. If you do want to print, have something at the back, maybe a diagram, let's try that. Click the back, and the shirt comes up here, and we want to put, say, a design. Now you want to print a design, we got a choice. You can get your print from Facebook, Instagram, or you can take one of our custom prints. How about we try one of our custom prints? Dad loves this is basketball. Let's try this basketball shot here, and we'll place this basketball. We'll size it a little bit. We'll drag it in the middle there, and this is a great shirt Dad can wear when he goes out to the basketball. Once we are ready with this, what we need to do is to update the shopping cart. Now, I had added something else in the shopping cart prior to this. So what I want to do is I want to see what that item is. So if I hit remove here, okay, I've got one item here. I wanted 2 shirts, so I removed everything from the shopping cart because I had another item from the previous video I was doing. I deleted that. I've got my 2 shirts here. I hit buy, and now I go to the checkout. Once I get to the checkout, this is what we do. We remember we went and clicked edit, and we edited here. We put our gift voucher number or our coupon code if you got a discount code. Otherwise, we are going to be paying $57.99. If you hit checkout, we go straight to pay by credit card. If you hit PayPal, we go to PayPal. It's so simple. So once you hit checkout, for example, what will happen is the system will then ask us to put our details here because we need to ship it out to you, and it'll ask you for some details. If you want a separate shipping address, you mention that there. Once you fill that up, you proceed to the shipping method. This means whether like Visa card, MasterCard, American Express, and then you're good to go. Once you hit confirmed, we get the order, you get a confirmation slip, and if you've chosen a 4-day delivery, in this case it was the same day delivery, we will print it this morning and you'll have it ready around 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Just make sure you've got your timings right of delivery, and we'll do the rest. This is Claude. Now, by the way, if you really love my short tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and definitely leave a comment. I love that. It inspires me to do more videos like this to help people. Okay, so once again, have a great day and see you in your new t-shirt soon. Goodbye now.